Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to set up the InboxPlus Chrome extension and integrate it with Gmail for seamless email follow-ups. Let's get started. First, click the extension icon. Once you find the InboxPlus extension, click on it to open the details page. Next, press the Add to Chrome button to download and install the extension. Great! Now that we have the extension installed, let's add a sequence and an email template. Go to the Sequences tab and click Add Sequence. Give your sequence a name and set up the follow-up schedule. Next, let's add an email template. Navigate to the Templates tab and click Add Template. Write your email content and save the template. Now, let's integrate InboxPlus with Gmail. Now, enter the recipient's email address. Click on the Templates button and select the template you created earlier. The content will automatically paste into your email. Next, select the sequence you want to use. Once you click on the sequence, your recipient will be added to it, and the auto-follow-ups will be sent according to the schedule you set. And that's it. You've successfully set up the InboxPlus Chrome extension and integrated it with Gmail. Now you can easily manage your follow-ups and stay on top of your email communications. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.